I thought we would do some small bundles here so that we can keep moving on. My modifier solution has been sitting, so we will go ahead and make up just a few, like I said, small bundles here, and see what we get. So I've got a small stack of paper here. I just want these to be a smidge smaller, so I'm just going to be cutting stuff down here. So the other thing I want to make sure to mention was that basically all of the trimmings that I had gathered, I have been soaking. I think that was one of the other things that was mentioned, was that you should let them soak for at least an hour. It might have been soaking a little longer than that, but I feel like, you know what I mean, it should be fine. They all still look nice and green with the exception of my rhubarb, so I'm not sure that that's going to work, but we're going to go ahead and give it a whirl and see what happens. So I'm going to have this set off to the side so that you can kind of see the bundles here. So, and we'll go ahead and so set that down. The other thing I just want to make sure to mention is that I also have my kind of rust bucket, all sorts of rusty stuff here that I'll be maybe sprinkling in kind of as we go here. So I'll be reaching from the leaf bucket and the rust bucket here, and we'll see how this layering process goes for us. So one other thing I thought I would mention is that I am not wearing gloves while I am doing this. So full transparency here, and a little extra safety note for you. I would maybe recommend going ahead and wearing gloves while you are handling the rusty things and putting your bundles together. So I am just going to be layering up kind of the leaves and the weeds and anything green I gathered, putting in a few of the rusty bits, and again, just kind of layering between paper. And you'll notice here, I did grab some fabric. So go ahead, if you've got some fabric set aside, it doesn't, again, have to be anything special. Making sure that you're just adding in all sorts of fabric, paper, your leaves and rusty bits, and yeah, putting together these little bundles here for us to get ready and do some cooking. So I'll let you finish watching me bundle here. Okay, I want to give just a quick note to mention I am in the garage. I have two little like tabletop cookers. So one I will do the copper solution in, and the other one I will do the steel in. And then I've got my bundles. I've got the steel jar, which had a remarkable reaction compared to last time. And then this is my copper jar that looks like it's not doing anything. So we shall see. I've got a couple bundles per cooker. The other things that I've got then is just vinegar, and then I've got just water. It looks bad. That's what I normally use for tea dyeing, but it is just water in there. I just wanted to have it all ready to go out here in the garage. So I just wanted to kind of show you my setup. I do have a window open, and I will be opening the garage door just so that you're aware here. So I'm gonna get turned around. Okay, so I am going to turn on the cookers, and I'm gonna put them at like 250 or so, and we'll put a colored bundle and a plain bundle. I do have, these are just like broken pieces of tile. So if you should need to weight down your bundles, you know, you could do that. Otherwise, you should be good to go. So in the one closest to you here, I'm just gonna go ahead and dump in this copper solution. And I'm gonna go ahead and just put the copper wire right in. And then I'm going to add additional, well, and don't pay attention to what I'm wearing. I'm going to add some vinegar and some water. Now I know somebody's going to ask me like how much of each, but I'm not very good at the measuring here. So now our point is to do kind of a slow cook here. So I'm gonna put the cover back on, and I've got this set, like I said, at like 650 here. So the other one, I'm gonna do the steel. right, we're gonna go ahead and let those cook. I will catch you in the unbundling here. So my mix, again, just as a reminder, the extra vinegar water, we're gonna say approximately 50-50. So when you're adding stuff in, add like half vinegar, a little half of water, and low boil again, right? Like a low simmer. How's that? Not maybe boiling. Low simmer for a couple of hours. So just make sure to watch My other one is a little bit deeper than my newer one, which is a little bit of a bummer, but still works just fine. Yeah, so please, again, make sure you're doing this outside or in a really vented area. Don't be doing this inside. That is bad. That's what I've heard anyway. So not responsible. Outside cooking this is. So anyway, catch you in the next one. We'll do a little unbundling once these are done cooking. See ya.